Question 1. Which Indian state is the largest producer of turmeric? Option. Correct answer is D. Andhra Pradesh. Question 2. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest twice? Option. Correct answer is B. Santosh Yadav. Question 3. Which Indian state is famous for the Chow dance? Option. Correct answer is B. West Bengal. Question 4. Who was the first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize? Option. Correct answer is B. Arundhati Roy. Question 5. Who was the first Indian woman to become a chief minister? Option. Correct answer is B. Sucheta Kriplani. Question 6. Which Indian state is known for the Valley of Flowers National Park? Option. Correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Question 7. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss Asia Pacific title? Option. Correct answer is B. Zeenat Aman. Question 8. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Option. Correct answer is C. Wular Lake. Question 9. Who wrote the book A Suitable Boy? Option. Correct answer is B. Vikram Seth. Question 10. Which Indian state is known for the Kaziranga National Park? Option. Correct answer is B. Assam. Question 11. Who was the first Indian woman to become the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Option. Correct answer is B. Meera Kumar. Question 12. Which Indian state is the largest producer of mangoes? Option. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 13. Who was the first Indian woman to become a cabinet minister? Option. Correct answer is D. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Question 14. Which city is known as the City of Palaces? Option. Correct answer is B. Mysore. Question 15. Who was the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympics? Option. Correct answer is A. Abhinav Bindra.